Can we say that Bitcoin is the future of money?
I believe so, yes.
So what are you explain?
When's the last time you sent money home? You're from Congo.
Mm,
When's the last time you sent money home? Do you send money home?
yeah,
How expensive is it to send money home?
very expensive.
Very expensive. You should tell them about Bitcoin because that's very cheap. So, if you can send money home for cheap
Mm.
and they get it on the same day, how long does it take you to send money home? A day? 2 days? A week? I don't know. So, probably a couple of days.
Mm.
Bitcoin, they're going to get it the same day with fees much lower than you pay at a bank. You tell me, do you think that's the future?
Yeah.
I think so.
Is it that the reason why reserve banks with their colleagues banks and their boss the government are against Bitcoin?
Yeah. I mean, imagine those fees you're paying. Imagine thousands of people having to send money to friends and family or to overseas. How much money is those banks making of those fees? A lot of money. How much money are they making from government giving them bailouts and interest rates? And they're making a lot of money from us.
Like I read somewhere they were saying that about the Bank of England, they say that 2.3 millions of adult in England they have a wallet or a Bitcoin, and the worth of their they've over like $400 in their Bitcoin. So I was trying to calculate that money in like 2.3 millions. It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
And then that money, it's not in a bank, but it's in somewhere. So can we say that Bitcoin is a bank?
Bitcoin is like the ultimate offshore bank because it's not linked to a country. No country can stop it. No country can stop the payments. So it's like the ultimate. Having a Bitcoin wallet is like having your own private offshore bank.
Wow.
So I put money in my offshore bank account. It's safe there. No one can touch it. No one can move it around unless they bash me over the head and steal my private keys. I mean, then it's safe.
So I'm living in a foreign country.
Yeah.
Or if you, a citizen, they can take your land. They can do whatever they want. They can take you. Yes, they can take mine, meaning that they can take mine as well.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you think it's wise for me to buy Bitcoin than to save my money in the bank?
So you should put a disclaimer at the start and say this is not financial advice. You're gonna have to research yourself, but I believe it is. I believe it's a good thing. I think Bitcoin is the only thing you can really own. I mean, I own my Bitcoin because I'm the only one that knows my private keys. You can't take it from me. Government can't take it from me. Banks can't take it from me. The bank can take my house. The government can take my house. I mean, the bank can shut my bank account. Finished, klar. It doesn't belong to me anymore. Today, like that. In Canada, it's happening. They're closing people's bank accounts because they donated to the truckers.
Wow.
Just like that. The bank can decide today. I've been doing research for a project on Bhutanese refugees. So people from Bhutan in 1990, the government just decided this ethnic group was no longer citizens of our country. And they said, you must go now.
Wow.
Bye. It's like, what do you mean? Where do we go? We are citizens. They just said, no, you're not anymore. Sorry, bye.
Wow.
I mean, it's like that. If that happens, then I just take my Bitcoin with me and